Okay. Do you? Do I what? Do you? Do I what? Do you? Do I what? Do you know what it feels like loving someone who's in a rush to throw you away? Do you know what it feels like to be the last one to know the lock on the door has changed? Make sure, you never tell anybody about this.
Oh man, I won't.